Your heart races. Your chest tightens. Your thoughts spiral. What if something goes wrong? You're not having a crisis. You're having a nervous system hijack. And there's a 4-second fix used by Navy SEALs, ER doctors, and elite performers. This isn't motivation fluff. It's behavioral science. Today, you'll learn box breathing, a neuroscience-backed tool to calm your amygdala, lower cortisol, and regain control in under 60 seconds. No apps, no pills, just your breath. Let's begin. When stress hits, your sympathetic nervous system activates, what's known as one fight or flight. Your heart speeds up, your muscles tense, your brain frantically scans for threats. This primitive response kept our ancestors alive, protecting them from predators in the wild. But in modern life, it fires during emails, heavy traffic, and awkward conversations. The problem? You can't think clearly when your body is in survival mode. The logical part of your brain, the prefrontal cortex, goes offline. But here's the good news. You can switch off the alarms using your breath, because breathing is the only part of your autonomic nervous system you can control consciously. Enter box breathing, also called tactical breathing. It's used by Navy SEALs before missions to stay calm and focused. Surgeons use it before complex operations to steady their hands. Firefighters use it in the midst of chaos to make clear, life-saving decisions. Here's how it works. It's a simple 4-part cycle. Step 1. Inhale slowly through your nose for a count of 4 seconds. Step 2. Hold your breath gently for a count of 4 seconds. Step 3. Exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 4 seconds. Step 4. Hold the breath out for a count of 4 seconds. Repeat this cycle for 1 to 2 minutes. Here's the science behind why it works so effectively. The slow, controlled pace directly influences your physiology. It slows your heart rate via the vagus nerve. A major nerve that connects your brain to your body. A slower exhale, in particular, sends a powerful signal of safety to your Dutch. Matis amygdala, maj, motorfis, dent. The brain spalperhauset borstrykkisignal center. This, in turn, restores function to your pamamart I prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for rational thought, problem solving, and emotional regulation. In short, it brings your thinking brain back online. A 2022 study from UCLA found that just 2 minutes of box breathing reduced self-reported anxiety by 2. And significantly improved decision-making under pressure. It's a physiological reset button, but most people do it wrong. Here are the common mistakes to avoid. Mistake number 1, holding too tightly. When you hold your breath, don't clench your muscles or force it. Keep it gentle, a soft pause. Introducing tension into your body defeats the entire purpose of the exercise. Mistake number 2, skipping the exhale. The magic is in the long, slow exhale. This is the phase that most powerfully activates the parasympathetic nervous system, your body's rest and digest mode. Make your exhale smooth and complete. Mistake number 3, only using it in a crisis. Don't wait for a panic attack to try it. Practice daily, even when you're calm. This builds neural resilience. You're training your nervous system to be less reactive over time, creating a new default state of calm. Now, let's talk about how to integrate this powerful tool into your life. For sudden anxiety, the moment you feel that wave of panic rising, just stop. Do 3 rounds of the 4-4-4-4 breath. It will interrupt the spiral. For daily resilience, make it a habit. Every morning, before you check your phone, do 2 minutes of box breathing. This sets a calm baseline for your entire day. For better sleep, if you're in bed with a racing mind, use a slower pace like 5-5-5-5. The longer count deepens the relaxation response and can help quiet your thoughts, making it easier to drift off. Let me tell you about a real-life case study. Meet David. He was a talented software engineer, but he suffered from debilitating panic attacks before client presentations. His heart would pound, his palms would sweat, and he'd lose his train of thought. He started practicing box breathing for just 2 minutes every single morning. He also used it for 1 minute right before logging into a big presentation call. Within 10 days, he noticed a massive difference. His pre-talk anxiety dropped by an estimated 70%. He didn't eliminate the stress. Presentations are still high stakes, but he built a physiological off-ramp. He learned how to downregulate his own nervous system on command. And here's the deeper truth. This isn't just about breathing. It's about reclaiming agency over your own nervous system. It's about understanding that you have a tool built right into your body to manage your internal state. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start, because calm isn't the absence of stress. It's the presence of control. Thanks for watching MindHack Daily. If this helped, like, subscribe, and hit the bell. New science-backed mind hacks every weekday at 13 UTC. See you Monday.